Hello YouTube. Today we're doing a quick video on why you should not jump start your riding mower, and it's for a simple reason. If you have a riding mower with an electric PTO, that's the power takeoff for the deck, and you have a switch like this or something similar, then you should not jump your riding mower. If you have a manual PTO, which is like a round button, and you can see these very same symbols on the round button, then that's a manual PTO switch. You can jump start that one. The reason why you can't jump start this is because if your battery is dead, that's a 12-volt battery. If the battery is dead and you jump start this mower, when you go and turn on your PTO, it will not engage. This PTO needs 12 volts. If it drops down to about 11 volts, it will not engage. And you might think something is wrong with your deck. You take it to a repairer, they'll just charge your battery and then give you a big bill. So make sure always that your battery is fully charged and it can start your riding mower, and then that way you don't have to worry about your PTO. It's also a very quick thing to check in case you turn on your PTO, it comes on, runs for a little bit, then suddenly you realize the blades are not turning. It could be that your battery is dead or the voltage is very low. If you have 11 and a half volts, 11.5, 11.7, this PTO will not engage. It will not. It needs a minimum of about 12 volts and above for it to engage and stay engaged. So that's a good reason why you should not jump start your riding mower. Take the battery off or leave it on there, but get it fully charged before you start running the mower. Thanks for watching, and I hope you charge your battery.